All right, boys and girls, I just wanted to give you a quick video on page 15 in your Home Connections book. You are still working on arrays and factors. So at the top, it just wants you to draw and label a rectangular array and to show two factors for each number. Do not use one as a factor. And then it's going to have you write the family, fact family that goes along with each array that you draw. So you've got an example for the number 8, and they drew an array with 4 columns and 2 rows. And then in the factor family, they showed us that 2 times 4 is 8 or 4 times 2 is 8. And then don't forget the other 2 parts of your factor family are those division equations. And that is just so that you understand that multiplication and division are opposites of each other. So if I divide 8 by 4, I get 2. And if I divide 8 by 2, I get 4. So you're going to finish 16 and 18. And then down here it says list all the factors of each number below. So you're just making those rainbows like we did. I think that assignment was yesterday. You always know that you're going to start with 1 and the number that's given. So for example, I would put 1 and 17 here because we always know that 1 and 17 are factors of the given number. And then you will start with 2. Well, I already know that 17 is not an even number, so I already know that 2 is not going to go into 17. Okay? Then you'll continue with 3, and then 4, and then you're going to check your multiplication facts to see if there's any other numbers that can go into 17. And then you're going to do the same thing for the other 4 numbers as well. And then the third thing says circle the prime numbers in problem 2. So you're going to this problem right here, and you're going to circle any numbers that are prime. And if you remember, our prime numbers are numbers that have exactly only 2 factors, one in itself. Okay? And then it says draw a square around the square numbers in problem number 2. Okay, and we're not actually going to worry about that. I didn't even realize that's exactly what it said. So you're not going to worry about this part right here. So I'm going to mark that out. Okay, so that is all you're doing for that today. If you all have any questions, just get with me.